Good morning, guys. Welcome to Trade Confident. Dogecoin pumps 55% in a matter of 4 days. This is pretty ridiculous. Take a look at this at the top here. Right at the top, we're looking at right at the top wick of the valley, 55.81%, and that happened right here within about 3 days, 12 hours. Pretty awesome. 55.81% pump in 3 days. Okay, what's going on? I'm going to just dive right in. Guys, I don't really like talking about news too much, but you can't not talk about news when it comes to Dogecoin because Elon Musk pretty much controls Doge right now. All right, let's go over this really quick, guys. We're currently sitting at 102 for 102 wins. We've been doing very well. We've never lost a crypto trade. I will show you guys in the second half of this video. I want to give you guys analysis in the first half. Second half, I'll show you guys how to get into our trading strategy to trade with us. We're doing really well. I'll show you guys my account today. I'll show you guys the indicator sell we've got going on today. All that stuff I'll do in the second half so I can honor your guys' time and give you analysis in the beginning. So let's just jump right in. You guys want to know why this happened? Let's take a look. Elon Musk over here. Tesla merch buyable with Dogecoin, January 13th. You guys want to, how about we all just do a reply here real quick? Thanks for the pump. I think that's what we should call it. Okay, thanks for the pump. I actually put a smiley face because that's just, I don't know, I'm being a little sarcastic. But, okay, guys, let's get in here. So, I want to show you guys this in here I did not expect Dogecoin to maybe be possibly our next winner, but the overall markets, and I will be covering Ethereum and Bitcoin later today, Ethereum's going down. Like, you look at any other coin today and it's going down, but Dogecoin is one of those coins with, you guys, I hold Dogecoin in my portfolio for these reasons. It's actually like my fourth highest holding right here with 5,189. It actually has a decent amount in here. So, you know, looking at this portfolio over here, up 10.23%. That's not too bad for Dogecoin, and that might actually start pumping up. Okay, here's what you guys need to watch. This time, last time he made an announcement like this, was this pump right here in the market. All right, now, let me be really clear about something. This is an emotional coin, and I'm not even going to try to sugarcoat that whatsoever, all right? What happened last time we pushed up here was the well money flow got super high, the trend exhaustion got super high, this got people really excited, they got very emotional, and this thing crashed like literally 24 hours. It didn't even take 24 hours. That 4-hour candle withdrew all the profits people had within about 4 hours. That drop, you guys seeing this right here? Like, this is the drop right here. I'm sorry, it's hard to make my chart a little bit bigger here. This drop right here. See, I went up and then 4 hours it dropped straight back down. It's already retraced 25% from that area. So because this is such a ridiculously emotional coin, I wouldn't doubt if this starts moving back down. Why? Because trend exhaustion is super high up here. We also see the well money flow very high here, looking for this move back down in the market. So could Dogecoin keep moving up because it's now an official announcement that, you know, Elon's going to be accepting this? It might. Now he says Tesla merch buyable. He said that he was going to be considering using Dogecoin for merchandise in his last post, but basically what he's coming out here is saying it is now buyable. Merch is now buyable with Dogecoin. So that makes a little bit of an, I know people aren't going to agree with me on this, it makes a little bit of a utility actually for Dogecoin, a practicality to owning the coin. You can now purchase things with it. Okay, so I want you guys to watch this very carefully. When this trend exhaustion is this high, we need to be watching for drops. We saw this over here, you know, pushing up to the red section here. I just want to pull a few spots so you guys can see this. You guys want to be getting these on your charts. This will show you guys where we're looking for a move down. Now, everyone listen to this. I know some of you guys, based off our metrics, you guys got in down at these levels down here, okay? You guys got in right around this level. Now, those of you guys who are in the profit and you're already taking profit, fantastic. When you're waking up this morning, this may not be a bad time to take 100% of your trade out right now and then wait for the dip back down, because I've updated the buy limits this morning based off this pump, and I've actually moved the first buy limit up here for you guys. I'll show you that in a second here. I've moved it up so you guys can get into the higher low formation and ride this back up. I'm in this trade currently over here, so I'm going to be waiting for the break-even entry to get past, and then we're going to exit the trade. But guys, this is an incredible trade. It's why I hold Dogecoin, guys. Guys, a 55% pump in 4 days. Like, why do you not have some Dogecoin in your portfolio if you don't? Okay, let's go over the metrics now, and I'll get you guys in the next trades, because this is like really awesome what's going on here. I know we try to stay closer to the safer coins, but being diversified, I was talking to a trader about this the other day. I said, being diversified, and I actually told this to my team yesterday, I was teaching them to this. I said, you know what, we used to trade around 2 to 3 coins because it's easier to manage. But I'm like, I have found with trading this and winning over 100 trades in a row, being diversified, well, let me say this a different way. There's only one way to take advantage of pumps when these types of moves happen on different coins. It's you gotta be in those coins, guys. You gotta be in those, okay? Get diversified. I trade every single coin on our metrics except for VET and VET. I think that's literally the only one. Yeah, because everything else you can trade on Coinbase. So yeah, I'm just double checking here. It was XRP and VET, but we took XRP off. So yeah, I'm trading every single coin except for VET. All right, VET you guys can trade on Binance. All right, 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, all the metrics will update. What's going on with Dogecoin as far as an emotional perspective? Well, I want you guys to watch this because this morning, this is probably going to be pushing up closer to the excited area. And you guys see what happened last time we pushed into the excited area? Well, we ended up dropping pretty fast here and it started to move down very quickly. Now, I'm going to show this to you guys based off historical data here. When you start pushing up into the excited region, this is when you see drops down, this is when you see drops down, okay? So I want you to watch that. This is an emotional coin. There's no two ways about it, all right? Long versus short trades on the blockchain. Short trades are moving out here. Long trades are staying steady here. So this tells me that this actually does, from a blockchain perspective, looking at transactions on the blockchain for Bitfinex, for Dogecoin, this could actually maybe keep heading up here if we have more people simply going long than people shorting, okay? But I'm going to give you guys a clear sign. Our indicators are calling a drop on Dogecoin, all right? You don't want to be trying to gamble on the 10 to 15% side saying that it could go up. It's better to take profits for all of you guys who are up and restructure back into the risk management to help with risk. Okay, I'll explain that in a second here. Long versus short trades for Dogecoin. Guys, look at this jump over here. This is pushed up almost into the great short trade area, and it may actually push up here this morning once these metrics come out. So definitely be watching for that, for the drop back down on Dogecoin. If it keeps going up, I'll be very surprised. All right, Wellness Digital Smart Money. You know what, guys? These guys are doing the exact same thing that happened last time. This was the emotional pump we ended up getting on Dogecoin when everyone was getting excited, like, oh my gosh, we're going to the moon, we're going up, we're finally hitting the bottom, and we're going up. Guys, look at this both times. Short trades came out here in the market and slammed Dogecoin back down. Short trades from Wells and institutions came out and it slammed the market back down. I listen, guys, there is a group out there of smart traders that knows how to trade. Excuse me. They know how to trade against all of the retail trader emotions. It's called smart money. What happens is when Elon puts a tweet out like this, people are opening up short trades and they are dropping this price here and they are making a ton of money. Most short trade exchanges won't allow you to short unless you're doing like 2 to 3x leverage. So when you guys are in here and you're looking at this, I want you just to pay attention to this. You need to know what's happening behind the charts so you can be more educated. No one exited at the top. No one took a short trade at the top. So if we look at this and you look at a move down here, 22%. Anybody who used simply 2x leverage on the short there did about 44%. 5x, they did over 100% profit, 100% profit on the drop. I know people are looking for this drop in here again because it's the exact same thing we saw over here. If we do keep pumping, I'll show you guys what to watch for. Okay, let's keep going here. I want to show you guys this, support and resistance prices. Moving up here, the target was around 20 cents. Let's come back over to Dogecoin. Did we break 20 cents? Yes, we hit all the way up here at the top around 21 cents. So that's where we're currently sitting, is this resistance here looking for this break. Now, if we can actually, let me give you guys an argument here for both sides because, we get comments sometimes saying, Travis, like, you're not telling us what's going to happen. You're covering both sides of the market. Yeah, like that is wisdom. The problem with most retail traders is they want people to tell them what the market's going to do so they can blame someone later. That's like, guys, wisdom looks at both sides of the market if it can go up and down. Then let me place a little bit further because I want to really answer this question here. If you're like, okay, well, if we don't have a solid answer of if it's going to go up or down, then how do we trade the markets and what's the answer to this analysis? It comes back, and it must always come back to risk management, always. If your risk management is not paramount in your strategy, emotions are going to be paramount. And that's what's going to cause you guys to lose trades. I've been trying to prove this to you guys over and over and over again. So just wanted to say that real quick. Okay, so as far as the move up here, if we can break resistance here, and this is literally holding the resistance here right about, let's call it 20 cents. If 20 cents can be broken again, a break in a retest pattern could happen here, and this could actually get pretty bullish, pushing us up to, I would say, a stop at 25 cents, which is the quarters theory level for Dogecoin. Watch that. Okay, I'll show you something else on here with the indicators in a second. I want to keep going here though, and finish this up. Dollar cost average entries. If you guys got into any of these entries down here, great job. Pat yourselves on the back. You did absolutely fantastic, okay? So you guys got into these trades here. Dogecoin is going to go up, guys. Guys, Dogecoin's not done going up. Simply, when Bitcoin goes up, Dogecoin's going to go up. There's enough falling behind Dogecoin that simply if Bitcoin goes up, it's going to go up as well, all right? The rising tide moves most cryptos together. That is why I hold it. And people who are like, oh, Dogecoin's going to go away, there's no practical use to it. Okay, guys, well, actually, there's an argument now that you can tell your friends. There is practical use and utility to Dogecoin. You can buy Tesla merch. So if you make money with Doge and you want to buy with Doge, you can now purchase tangible items, merchandise from Tesla. Okay, that is actually awesome. And it's actually got more utility than a lot of these other, not these, but a lot of pump coins you guys are trading. Okay, so just putting that out there, right? I know some people don't agree it's a utility, but I know this because my brother actually worked on starting up a cryptocurrency of his own. And when you start a cryptocurrency, in order to be listed on coinmarketcap.com, you must fill out what is your utility of the coin. Is it for staking purposes? Is it to help with carbon emissions? What is it? You know, Dogecoin obviously didn't say this, but you have to put something in there for utility. And what I'm saying is Dogecoin has morphed into this thing, and Elon has kind of taken over here and been like, all right, now you can use it for purchases. That does create a quote unquote utility for the coin. It may be super weak, but it actually does, okay? All right, come down here. The exit points. We saw this yesterday, and we've been moving up here to around 16 cents. So we were looking for that drop here. Emotional, pumps in the market here are going to happen. All right. Watch for this drop back down. Okay. Let me show this real quick, and then I'll show you guys how to get into our next trades. And I'll show you guys the sell that's going on right now with the indicators, because it's pretty cool and you guys want to watch this. Here's what I want you guys to really be watching for. Well, money flow, watch this. This is going to be a precursor if we're going to keep moving up or not. Since this did not reach the top yet, if you guys are watching this, I'm sorry, this is a terrible line. Let me go something like this. That's probably a little better. There we go. When the trend exhaustion got to the top here, when it got to the top, that was right around this level. When you guys are looking at this, that is usually where we look to see drops back down. Yes, did we get a drop? Yeah, we ended up getting a drop. Okay, great. Then we pushed up in the red section again. Did we get a drop? Yes, we ended up getting a little bit of a drop. Okay, but when the price keeps going here, I want you guys to be watching this. This is why we look at the whole indicator. Well, money flow had a great deal to keep going up here. Like, look at the top here. So just because the trend exhaustion is high here and the well money flow isn't super high, that doesn't mean it's just going to drop immediately. If you guys have been watching my videos, here's what you need to watch here. It's when the trend exhaustion is high and the well money flow is high as well. That's when the biggest drops happen. This is specifically why we use both indicators together to give us confirmation. It's double confirmation, guys. That is how the drops are happening. If you look back into the past, the previous time when the well money flow got that high, it was right here. Trend exhaustion was in the top red section. Look at, literally, here's the case study right in front of you guys. Where did this pump up here and see the biggest drop before this? We saw it right there. Awesome. Okay. Once you guys understand this, you guys are now going to be predicting the market moves down. Let me show this to you again. Well money flow high, trend exhaustion high. Literally, this peak right here is above all the other peaks over here. What happened? It was the height before the crash. These crashes in the market are being called with these two indicators. This is why a ton of people have this, and I'll show you guys the sell we have going on today with this. Make sure you guys get the price for well money flow set up. It is going up in price, and you will never be able to get it this low again. We are calling and predicting these markets. Watch the integrity of this. Watch for Dogecoin to start moving back down. It's already happening, but watch this further. Okay, let me get you guys into our trading setup. I guess you can call it a room over here, whatnot. Let me show this to you guys, okay? Profits, spend some time, guys. Take a look at this. People are doing amazing here. People are doing $7,000, $8,000 in one day, $8,500 here. It's just pretty ridiculous. Come in here, have fun. $61,000. Literally, that's not unrealistic, guys. We've had a few people do $60,000 and more. Anyways, come here, have fun on a Friday. Take a look at that. Here's what I want to show you guys. Here's how you trade with us, and here's how you guys start winning with our trades. And I'm trading with you guys. $49 a month. This is the cheapest membership you guys will ever pay for a cryptocurrency membership to join with someone. We are going to be upping this price, so make sure you guys come in here and you guys get in at $49 a month. Even if we up this to $55, $59, $60, $70, even if it's a small increase, what I will promise you guys I will do for you is I will keep you at $49 a month for as long as you want to keep your membership. I will not ever up the membership on you. You have my word about that. If it ever does, something happen wrong with the system, I'll refund you and I'll make sure you get back down to $49. But listen, everybody who gets in at $49 now, will keep their membership for life at $49 if you guys don't unsubscribe. It will only go up in value. It is very powerful. That's going to give you guys access to all the metrics up here, which obviously today we're going over Dogecoin, but you're going to get that for all of them. This is where you guys want to be hanging out because this is where the money's made. This is in the Telegram channel. So let me show you this. Click on live trades today and scroll down here to Dogecoin. Now, obviously Dogecoin's pumping 55% in 4 days, 3 days and 12 hours. Okay. We'll call it 4 days. Pretty close enough. All right. Dogecoin over here. This is where you guys want to click to set up your next buy limits. Again, I know our traders are in this trade right now. Those of you guys who got into this trade, you got in, because I know where I set these buy limits, you got in around very close to about 15.5 for the first buy limit that you guys got hit. You're up 23% right now. Please take some profit out of the market. If you have not taken some profit out of the market, guys, do not get greedy. Come on, guys. Have I not proven to you time and time again that these indicators are going to call the drops? Do this for yourself and treat yourself to a date night with your spouse. Go buy something fun for yourself. Take money out of the market. Take some profits, 23% up, and then get into the next buy limit that's coming out. Don't think that everything's just going to keep heading up. It never, ever does. Take some profits and go have fun this weekend with your gains, okay? Here's how you guys trade our strategy and how we have won every single one of our 102 for 102 trades in here, okay? We're probably going to go 103, 104, 105, and that's going to be on Matic, AVAX, and Mana. Those are the next ones we're probably going to win. All right, watch this with me, guys. 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, our entire website updates, over 92 metrics, all at 8 a.m. Really awesome. Okay, take a look at this. 113, it's going to change to 114 because today is Friday the 14th. Okay. You want to take whatever amount that you personally want to trade this coin with. I'm going to use the example of $1,000. So take $1,000, split it into 4 equal portions, $250. Easy enough, right? Take your 4 portions and place them at each buy limit. $250 here, $250 there, $250 here, and $250 here. You cannot miss the prices, guys. They are in neon yellow. 4 buy limits at the exact same time placed in your exchange, with 25% of your trade allocation at each buy limit. Once your first buy limit is hit, set a sell limit up here in green for 100% exit in your exchange. If you guys want to know how to set up buy limits, how to set up sell limits, watch this video. It will show you how to set up buy limits, how to set up sell limits, market orders, everything you guys need is literally in this video right here. Okay, now, last step here is getting into the Telegram channel and getting the indicators if you guys have not gotten those yet, because we do have a sale today, 81% off for all the indicators. Okay. Sign into Telegram on your phone or your computer first, click this link, and then that will give you guys a hot link. Will actually give you access into the Telegram channel where you guys can watch this. This is transparent, guys. I will never do this, by the way. I've never added in fake people. I know some like memberships who actually like add fake people to like make it look like they're doing better than they are. Guys, I just can't stand that. Like, look, I'm a Christian. I'm not even like shamefully like admitting that. Like, I'm a Christian. I believe if we run our businesses with integrity and we are transparent, we will see success. Not just being like, oh, God's going to give us favor and success. I think you need to work really hard, and I think God honors hard work, okay? But if you're out here just lying to people and like pumping your Instagram accounts, like I'm not going to show us 10,000. Like we literally have this many people in our group. So I just want to come out and share that with you guys. I do my absolute best. Am I going to be perfect with this whole thing? No. There may be a time where I make a bad call and because things are going on in life. I don't think it's actually happened yet, but because I keep myself very, I have a team. I hired more people so none of us get burnout so we can do this for years and years to come. It's going to be a blast. All right. I don't know why I did that side tangent. I just want to let you guys know a little bit about myself. Okay, the indicators right now. You guys do want to snag these because I'm giving you my word on this. This will happen because I already talked to the team. It's in place and it will go through. The price for swell money flow is going to be upped in price at the end of this month. This is the last few days you guys have to get this indicator before it goes up. It will not return back to the lower price ever. We're actually going to do another we're going to up the trend exhaustion and we're going to up the trend dashboard here in the couple months to come. And then before the end of the year, we're going to up all 3 of these again. Now, the question is like, why are we doing that, guys? We are growing so fast over here as a channel. We have a lot of members over here. I've got some fun things planned for us this year that I won't release right now, but just know this. If you guys stick around, we've got some fun things planned, okay? The bundle pack, this is the best deal to get right now because this is going to give you literally 81% off all the indicators today. Normally, I would say you want these 3 indicators and that's it. But the price for all 3 of these pretty much brings you to the bundle pack, and you guys are actually going to get another 21% off these indicators if you get them at the bundle instead of all together or individually. I'm sorry. Do you guys understand that? So not only do you get these 3 in the bundle pack, but you get 6 more indicators, giving you a total of 9 indicators with the bundle pack. You guys can use on Forex, crypto, stocks, commodities, the S&P 500, gold, metal. It does not matter what you want to use them on. They will work on all of them, except for the Forex indicators that specifically work on Forex, okay? Everything else you can use on any other exchange. All right, guys. That's what it is. Make sure you're getting the bundle pack before those go up in price. It's a one-time purchase as well. It's not a monthly subscription like our membership over here for calling entries and exits. It's a one-time purchase, and you get the source code for life so no one can take it away from you. Look at these indicators, guys. You need to be watching for this drop. The exact same thing that happened over here when this news came out with Elon Musk. We saw a drop all the way back. Like literally, look at what happened when it came back. It almost came all the way back down to basically structure support. I would say for a move back down, I would arguably say this is easily probably going to come back down to about 16 cents if it does move back down here. If it does keep pumping, let it pump. I'll leave you guys with this. Once it starts pumping up, and if it does start pumping up here, you need to watch this. If well money flow starts doing this pattern and trend exhaustion starts doing this pattern, please check your emotions. A lot of you guys are going to say, we're going to the moon. False. It's not going to happen. It will not happen. What's going to happen here is if you see money flowing out, the market follows money. The well money flow, if it starts moving out of the market, will see a decrease in price. You can't have the market going up here. Literally, arguably this market is going up here and then going a little bit sideways here. Money was flowing straight out of the market when that happened during the same duration. That caused a drop in the market here, okay? If you guys watch the video I have, literally do this today. Come over here and click this, and I want you guys to actually watch the tutorial video on this indicator. It will show you guys how to spot divergence in the market, so you guys can actually see when market moves are due for a move back down. I was gonna see if I can find one here for you guys real quick in the market. It's probably I didn't prepare for this, so I apologize if I don't find one here real quick. But what you're looking for is basically moves that go down in the market, and then you have the well money flow moving up. Let me see if I can find this here. We're looking at this high here. No, this is actually holding pretty true. If you don't see divergence, what you want to do is simply watch for the trend exhaustion to get high as well as the well money flow to get high, and that's where you're going to see drops. It doesn't happen often, but when divergence does happen, it is pretty ridiculous. Here's just a very vague. Okay, you guys can see here how the well money flow is staying elevated. Actually, this wick right here is just maybe a tad bit higher if you look at this line right there. Well money flow actually came out here, and is moving basically sideways. I'm sorry, guys. I should edit this video out, but I'm not going to do it. I'll find you a better example. This is a better example here. It's when price structure hits a high and a higher high, and it goes up, and well money flow moves down. You know what? Here's this. I'm going to cheat here a little bit. I want to prove this to you guys because I'm going to show you this on Matic because I know Matic has this for sure because I was just talking about this the other day. All right, Matic over here. If you look at Matic over here and you look at this formation right here, when you guys see a high and another higher high on price action, watch this for Dogecoin. This is the reason why I'm showing this to you. If Dogecoin keeps heading up, creates a higher high, and you look straight down, don't cherry pick, guys. Be honest with yourself. Look straight down, straight down, straight down. If you guys see the flow of money moving out of the market here and the trend exhaustion moving down, you must watch for the crash in the market. This is showing you where the flow of money is going. If well money flow is not following the move up, you better be getting out of that coin because it's going to be crashing. I've proven this to you guys so many times, and I want to just let you guys know it's already taking place. We've already crashed from the high. I'm already making this too long of a video. We've already crashed here 10%. 10.04%. So watch for that crash there. But guys, if you're in trades, make sure you're taking some money out of the market here and get set up for the next trade so you guys can ride it up if it does go up. That's how you cover both sides of the market. That's how you win on both sides. Good risk management. Get the indicators in the description. You guys have a few days left to get the price well money flow. The bundle pack is what you guys want. This is going to be going up in price. Make sure you guys get the membership, guys. We're going into 2022 with a bang. We're going to do great. Guys, the account over here is doing fantastic. We're absorbing these, bear markets very well. We're diversified up 10.23% on Dogecoin. I'm loving that. I will teach you guys how to trade profitably over here. Get the membership. Get into some buy limits today. I'm not a financial advisor, but get into some buy limits. And then follow me in the Telegram channel where I'm calling exits. And we're going to try to go 103, 104, 105 wins probably next week. in this market. Telegram channel link is down here. God bless you guys. Have an amazing, amazing weekend. Congrats, guys, for actually all of us getting some practicality in Dogecoin. We can now officially purchase Tesla merch with Dogecoin. Congrats, guys. Have a good one. Everything you need is in the description. I've also pinned it to the first comment of this video. Guys, let's just start making some more cash, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Everything you need is below. Bye, guys.